Skyler with Ignite attachments, and on our angle blades and our Tine Rakes, if the push fitting grease zerk ever comes out of the grease point back here, you can go ahead and grab some 1/4 inch by 28 threaded fittings and be able to just pound them in. You'll need some kind of hammer, a pair of needle nose pliers. I like to use a little bit of grease to get it to hold in place, and then you'll need, I found a 6mm socket, works good to tap it in. So you'll put a little bit of grease on the threaded end just to hold it in place. Grab your needle nose and thread it, put it into the slot where it goes. Grab your socket, an extension and hammer, slide it over the tip of the grease zerk and tap it into place, and you will have a installed grease fitting